So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again with another transfer update for the mighty Arsenal, top of the table Arsenal. Everybody's linked to Arsenal. They want to sign for the top of the table team. Mikel Arteta, you can't see what he's doing. You can F off down the lane, mate. And big up to everybody who is watching this video. I do appreciate it. If you haven't checked out the previous ones, go and check them out. I am sitting here waiting with bated breath for Spain, España versus the Germans. If the Germans lose, they're in big trouble. I fully expect Spain to win. I can't lie. Not just because they battered Costa Rica 7-0, but I actually think, and I did predict this, they're my underdogs for the tournament. Not just because I live here, but big up to everybody who is watching. Make sure you fully smash the like button. Make sure you are subscribed if you are new or not subscribed. Big up to everybody who's been dropping the donations in the chat. All you got to do is hit the thanks option, press the pencil icon, delete the word thanks, and write whatever you want. I will reply to everyone who does that. And thank you very much to everybody who has. But we're going to start off. In fact, before we start off, make sure you follow the TikTok. Yeah, we're close to 1,000 on that. Come on, less than 200 away. Insta as well, Facebook. Follow me everywhere. I'm hiding in Spain, but I'm everywhere. So make sure you follow me on all socials. We're going to talk about Captain America. Yes, Christian Pulisic. Oh dear, oh dear. I hope the story is not true. I can't lie. I really don't like this guy. Yeah, he's just the American Iwobi. Let's be real with it. He can run fast and he can dribble well. He's always injured. So, yeah, let's go and sign him. He does fit Project Youth, though. I can't lie. He is 24 years old, I believe. And he's just turned 24. Seems to have been around forever, doesn't he? This season, he is the ultimate. And this season's buzzword, as you know, you guys that watch me every day or watch me on a regs, you know that the words for this season are versatility. Versatile. Come on. This guy is the ultimate versatility player. The ultimate versatile player in the forward positions. He can play right mid, right wing, centre forward, attacking mid. He can play left wing, left mid. And this season, he has played 3 games at right wing, 3 at right mid, 2 at attacking mid, 2 at left wing, and 1 at centre forward. He has scored a grand total. I hear you crying. Boom, boom, 1 goal. Captain America, more like Captain getting the bin. Yeah, this guy is not the answer, mate. And I swear this story don't need to be true. Apparently, Arsenal are locked in horns with his agent. The media don't half make these stories up, didn't they? I swear this story's got to be the biggest load of crap I've ever heard in my life, which is why I'm here to dissect and filter and sieve through the BS. Captain America, Captain Toilet, get in the bin. Don't want him. Don't want him anywhere near Arsenal. Not for me. He is apparently in a three-way tussle with Manchester United. Manchester United are apparently, according to the reports, apparently fed up with Jadon Sancho. Okay, mate. Yeah. Whoever wrote that, good one. You're not very good at making up stories. Apparently, Newcastle United wants him. Oh, dear. It's a three-way tussle for Christian Pulisic. Is he going to leave the club with 18 months left on his contract? Oh, my days. £35 million to sign up Captain America. Chelsea fans, I know a lot of Chelsea fans subscribe to this channel. What do you make of Pulish here? What do you make of him? Leave it in the comments section. Let me know. Listen, the guy is not that good. I've been saying it for time. He is literally the American Iwobi. Not really got much output. Doesn't really affect the game how he should do. Always injured. In fact, whilst we're here, let's have a little look at his injury record. Let's have a little look. Let's have a look at his injury record. Smash the likes up while we're waiting. Injury record. Give us your score predictions for, pointless because the game would have finished there. The game would have finished by the time this video comes out. Oh dear. Anyway, transfer market. Big up transfer market. Injury record for Pulish. Right. This goes back to 18-19 season. November 18. 5 days out with muscular problems. February 19. Torn muscle fiber. 16 days, 3 games missed. Torn muscle bundle. I don't know what that means, but that was the following month. 20 days missed, 3 games missed. He then transfers to Chelsea. He goes to Chelsea. 2nd of October 19, missed 1 game. November 19, missed 12 days, 0 games. Obviously, international break. The next month, December, bruised muscle. By the way, arch pain. I don't know what that is, and a groin injury. Then a muscle bruise kept him out for 1 game, 3 days. Then he had a tear in an abductor muscle in January 2020. This guy gets injured every month. He missed 156 days, 12 games. He then came back from that, and 23 days later got a calf injury. Well done, mate. Then he came back from that, and lasted 6 weeks during pre-season. Season starts, calf strain, missed 2 games. Then he was out for 63 days with a hamstring injury, 7 games. Then he came back from that. He literally lasted 27 days and was in quarantine, missed 1 game. He came back from that. Then he was out for 24 days, 4 games with a muscle injury. Then he had the Rona again. He managed to stay fit for 9 months that time, and then he got the Rona. Missed 12 days, 2 games. Then he comes back from that, stays fit for literally 10 days, gets an ankle injury, missed 52 days, 12 games. He comes back from that in October 21 and stays fit. Wow, for 6 months. 5.5 actually. And then missed 2 games because he was ill. If anyone's known as sick note, it is Christian Pulish. Don't want him anywhere near Arsenal. Definitely with that record. And listen, people will be in the chat going, oh, yeah, but, injuries happen. Yeah, cool. 2 of them were COVID. Cool, whatever. The fact and reality is, oh, there's a second page. Hold on. Oh, that goes all the way back to his days at Dortmund. We won't go that far back. But he has missed a lot of days. He's had a lot of injuries, and he is only just turned 24. Not for me. I do not want this guy anywhere near the club. And listen, he fits Project Youth. If you want to put him in that bracket, he's 24 years old, 35, 40 mil, whatever, yada, yada, yada. I'd love to know what you guys think, because I don't rate him. I've never rated him. And people go, yeah, but Lee, who do you rate? Well, I don't rate him, that's for sure. And there's better wingers out there and attacking players out there that we could go for. Mudryk is one of them, potentially. Not that we've all watched him, but he is the flavorable, fashionable player of the month. Oh, let's go for Mudryk. This is going to be this January transfer windows. Vlahovic. Funky Barnet, funky name. Arsenal fans rate him. Dusan Vlahovic don't have a funky Barnet, but he does have a funky name. And we didn't sign him, did we? And I don't think we're signing Mudders, but we're going to drop a video later on that one as well tomorrow, as you probably get this in the UK as I record this. But yeah, tomorrow, keep your eyes peeled. 8 a.m. UK time, that video I'll be dropping. So keep your eyes peeled for the Mudders and the Tillemans update. They're both on their knees for Arsenal. But just to finalise on Captain Crab, I don't want him. I'd imagine that most of you lot don't want him. I just been flattered to been deceived by this guy. Real talk, like this guy is not the guy. Like, he's only real talk. I said this with Matty, Southern Gooner. Subscribe, the Southern Gooner. I said this with Matty when we were watching the USA England game the other day on a watch along on this channel. I said the only reason this guy's rated is he went to Dortmund when he was a kid. That's it. Went to Dortmund, posted a few figures. GA merchants got giddy. High potential on FIFA career mode. The FIFA gen, they love all of that, didn't they? He comes to Chelsea and does nothing. Literally nothing. For Dortmund, 127 games, 19 goals, 26 assists for all you statisticians, mathematicians. 133 games for Chelsea, 26 goals and 21 assists. Not great. Not great, to be honest with you. He's managed to score in 87 Premier appearances, 20 goals, 11 assists, which GA merchants go, well, considering he's always injured, that's not bad. That's a 1 in 4 and a 1 in 8 on the GA. It's a 1 in 3 on the GA if you combine them. No. Bundesliga, he got 13 goals, 18 assists in 90 games. I don't want him near Arsenal. Get him away from Arsenal. Hopefully, United sign him. They probably won't. It's probably just his agent chatting bollocks. Oh, yes, there's a three-way tussle. Oh, my God. Yes, bro, you need to get your checkbook out, mate. You've got to get the checkbook out. Yeah, it's probably just his agent waffling utter crap. And this is why I'm here to break down all of these transfer speculations and rumors. We don't just follow the mainstream media that chat absolute rubbish. I've probably got more plugs at Arsenal and links at Arsenal than this lot combined. So it is what it is. I'm out of here, people. Big up to everyone that's watched. Stick your comments down below. I will reply to some, not today, but tomorrow. And I will heart a few up as well. Big up to all of you guys. Anyone who drops a donation in, I will reply. It won't be straight away. Anyone who drops the biggest donation in will be pinned. And yeah, man, tomorrow I will be back with Kenny and Jez. Looking forward to that. So we're going to be talking all things World Cup. We're going to be talking about some of the transfers. And we're going to be talking about how the Arsenal boys are doing in the World Cup as well and who's favourites, etc., etc. But for now, I'm going to sit back. I'm going to get my Suave out. Suave in Spanish is soft. I ain't soft. It's mild, soft. It's a soft beer. It's a beautiful beer. Bottoms up, people. Cheers. Adios. Make sure you subscribe, like, share. Follow the socials and check out the previous videos. And check out the Tillemans Mudryk video that will be dropping at 8 a.m., sorry, UK time. Adios, amigos.